Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for accepting this free video. When I noticed that you guys were a veteran-owned business, I really wanted to reach out and be able to help out. Um, at Peterson SEO, we honor our veterans each and every day, and we really focus hard on helping veteran-owned businesses. So hopefully you'll be able to take these tips and be able to make them work for you. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can start applying right away that's going to help you organically. It's going to help you get more leads. The first thing to note is that 70% of your organic leads will come from your website. So it is really important that you have a properly optimized website. First thing I notice here is this website is a Google site, yet it is not secured. So something is going on with your SSL certificate and you need to get it fixed. You need a new one, or renew it, whatever you got to do, so that you can have a secure website, because a lot of things could happen. You could be giving your customers viruses. You could get hacked. There's just so many things that could happen, and it could cost you thousands of dollars later on down the road to try and repair identity theft and brand theft and everything else. So definitely get that fixed. And then the second part is you've got to get your own domain, a .com preferably. That's going to help you out a lot online. Okay, and from there, let's see. This is good. You have separate pages for each service, which is exactly what you want. The problem is these pages don't have any local buyer intent keywords or any of the repetition necessary to be indexed. So all of your pages need to have their own unique content with their own local buyer intent keywords. Those are keywords people are actively searching for the services you offer in your community and have a location attached to it either before or after. Google ranks your website based on content. So your website needs a lot of content. They need more content than all your competitors. And they want a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. And that's going after 100, or that's 150 words for every keyword that you're going after. So it is going to be really important that you rework your content and keywords so you can focus on the keywords that's going to get you those organic customers. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you have a separate page for every single city or community that you service that has any type of search volume for your services. That way you can be found organically in each of those communities for your services. Now, Google has robots that go and index all of these pages looking for original content and keywords so that they can rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. So let's look at your top competitor here. Anytime Restoration, they're the top competitor for your service area. You can see they have separate pages for all of their different services, as well as location pages. They are going after the local buyer intent keywords correctly. They have a lot of interlinking between pages, which is really good for SEO. And more content. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have to work on your keyword and content strategy, making sure that you have the proper pages in place so you can start capturing those organic leads. But it's important to note that a website alone is not enough to be found online. You do need to support it with SEO. So this score is only because you're attached to Google, which just means it trusts your website more. Um, but right now, that's pretty much irrelevant. You have 0 backlinks or referring domains, so you're going to need a lot of these. Now, you're going to get a referring domain is any website that links to your website, and the backlink is the physical link coming from a referring domain to your website. And the whole purpose is just to rank and drive traffic. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you only want to get authoritative ones that are do follows, so that way they share their power and help you to rank. And you're going to need a lot of these. You're going to need more than your competitors, both in volume and quality. Now, you've been indexed for only one keyword, and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. So it is going to be very important that you work on those strategies so you can start capturing the organic traffic that you're missing out on. If we look at your competitor, they have a pretty low score with over 2,000 backlinks. So that shows you that not all backlinks are created equal. This is a whole lot of irrelevant and spammy backlinks according to Google. Google gives you credit for 1 backlink per referring domain, so most of these are going to be considered spam. Now, they have 38 do follows referring domains, so you need to be able to beat 38, both in quality and quantity. These guys have been indexed for over 300 keywords, and they're getting over 151 people to their website. So they still have a long ways to go as well. But it does show you the volume that you're missing out on by not being properly optimized. And the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competition here. In order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are going to be citations, which is going to be the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Facebook, Yelp, Next, etc. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords for your services and service areas supported by the proper SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and you can start applying these tips and capturing your organic leads. I would love to get some feedback on what you thought of this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.